The Kapoor family met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to commemorate the extraordinary life and legacy of legendary director Raj Kapoor. Full-on Kapoor Khandan, perhaps for the first time, seen in this photo session with the Prime Minister. And also seen was Kareena Kapoor taking Prime Minister Modi's autograph, a memento, so to say, for her little sons, Taimur and Jay. A lovely photograph. Basically, just to tell you, there's going to be a Raj Kapoor Film Festival, for which across the country films will be released, and therefore the Kapoor family inviting and also notifying the Prime Minister over this. Joining me, my colleague Sana Farzeen for the latest on that. Sana, it was quite nice to see all of them nicely dressed and meeting the Prime Minister. But tell us more, why this invitation or this meeting with the Prime Minister?
Absolutely, Pooja. It was probably for the first time that we saw the entire Kapoor family at such a gathering, and it was to commemorate Raj Kapoor's legacy, his dedication and his contribution to Indian cinema. As we all know, it's his 100th birth anniversary, and the Kapoor family got together to invite the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to kind of be a part of this celebration. From 13th to 15th, across 40 cities, films would be screened. Raj Kapoor's films would be screened for 3 days. So I think that this was their moment to kind of talk about Raj Kapoor with the Prime Minister. And as per the social media posts that Kareena, Ranveer and Alia have shared, Narendra Modi too had a lot of stories to share with them, and I'm sure it must have been a very interesting meeting for all of them.
There are some of the images that are consistently coming up. I'm checking social media handles of Alia, Karisma and Kareena as well. The festival is going to be 13th to 15th December. 10 films, 40 cities, over 100 cinemas. I saw a lot of chatter, it appears, happened, Sana. And, and then I see a handwritten note. Both Karisma and Kareena have got these handwritten notes from Prime Minister Modi. I think that's also sweet to take something back home. Maybe the next generation of Kapoors are going to remember it in some way.
Absolutely, and Kareena's handwritten note also had Tim and Jay written on it.
Yes.
So Narendra Modi, he signed an autograph for them, and I think that must have been a very special moment because the new generation sees the Prime Minister on television and they identify with him. And this must be a great opportunity for them to kind of connect with that. This occasion, of course, for every cinema lover, Raj Kapoor has been an inspiration. So it's definitely something that everyone very excited about.
Well, let's remember that Raj Kapoor, not just an Indian director, but across the world in many other countries, his films have made a cultural bridge over the years. And clearly, all of them from the Kapoor family and, of course, connected, for example, Saif Ali Khan and others as well, coming together to meet Prime Minister Modi. And may it also take Indian cinema ahead. Sana, thank you very much for now. Leaving you with these visuals, more to conversations, dialogue, and the best cinema that India has to offer. Leaving you with these visuals, thank you very much for watching.